Hi Year 10, Mr. Tapley here to walk you through our next lesson of Year 10 Geography in Week 8 of Term 2. This lesson, our learning intention is to review the key concepts and terminology examined throughout this unit by constructing a geography glossary, a GG. Success criteria is to demonstrate our understanding of key concepts in environmental geography, which has been our focus of Term 2, by defining terminology, key terms, key topics, identifying examples to demonstrate your understanding, and then connecting those terms, those definitions, to visuals to further improve your understanding of these key topics. So the last week we looked at pollution, which was our final new topic of environmental geography. Week 8 we're kind of reviewing and revising what we've done over the past 7 weeks. And then week 9 we will be introducing the cat with the aim of finishing the cat in week 10. So hopefully this week and this activity will provide you with an opportunity to review your understanding of some of the topics that you found difficult or some that you might have forgotten, and hopefully it'll provide you with a resource to use to study for the cat in week 9 and week 10. So this lesson will provide you an opportunity to review the key concepts and terminology we've examined in our environmental geography unit and revise before our cat in week 9. I'm deliberately not going to be telling you much about the cat in this video because this video will probably be uploaded to your final lesson of week 8, which is a Friday, and I don't think you guys are going to be very awake for a Friday period 5 cat introduction. So I'm just going to start fresh in week 9. We'll talk about the cat, and then it'll be due at the end of week 10. So, this lesson though, you'll be using Google Slides, which you should be pretty familiar with now, to construct a geography glossary of the following terms. Environment, biodiversity, so having lots of different sorts of variances in the types of plants and animal life in the environment. Ecological services, so the different things that the environment provides for us, that does for us. Pollution, not just air pollution like we looked at in Lin Fen, but also pollution to the land, so land degradation, salinity problems, water pollution, climate change, which was a big topic we looked at in, I want to say, week 6, and sustainability is the final term to include in your glossary. So 6 key terms there, or you could break up pollution into a couple different slides, I suppose. I'll leave that up to you. 6 key terms, and this glossary you'll be constructing in Google Slides, so you can think of it as a mini slideshow, I suppose, with 1 term per slide. So each slide will need to include the key terms, so environment, definition, what is your definition of the environment, an example, so you could say forest environment or marine environment, and then a related image, just some trees up there. I've included an example in the next slide, so you can see I've got my key term, sport, definition, example, image of Mr. Tapley playing basketball over the weekend, and I've got the due date here. So the glossary will need to be completed and submitted by the end of week 8. The file can be submitted to Google Classroom assignments. So I'll be providing you with 2 lessons to complete this in class. Then the final lesson of week 8 I'm going to leave free as a catch-up lesson, so students who have not completed that lesson, this activity can finish it off on Friday. Students who complete the activity before Friday will have Friday as a kind of freebie to either catch up in geography or other subjects, or just practice self-care. We've done a few of those lessons before, just to de-stress you guys. And I also understand that the Year 10s are back for their VCE subjects as well. So yeah, I'm trying to give you guys as much time as possible to complete this activity. It's your only set work for week 8. So hopefully not too much of a ask for you. Just in terms of where to submit that file. So this is Google Classroom. You can see you've got your assignments tab, notebook, dev task, and you'll see semester 1 learning task, geography glossary, and due June 5th, which is week 8 Friday. And if you have any questions about the assignment, guys, or the cats, or just geography in general, or if you have some concerns about the workload, or you think you're falling behind, please let me know. But otherwise, best of luck, guys. Hope you're well, and cheers.